Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into the world of top-notch cookware with the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set, featuring 3 versatile sizes, 8, 10.25, and 12 inches. This set boasts a durable hard anodized exterior and a titanium non-stick coating, ensuring your food slides smoothly and cleanup is a breeze. Whether you're frying eggs, stir-frying, or preparing a family-sized meal, these pans have got you covered, and with Thermo-Spot Technology, you'll know exactly when they're preheated for perfect results every time. The riveted silicone handles offer a comfortable grip, and the vented tempered glass lids trap heat and moisture while letting you keep an eye on your culinary creations. Plus, these pans are oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, with lids safe up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, making them a versatile addition to any kitchen. Designed for all stovetops except induction, this set is built to stand the test of time and comes with a limited lifetime warranty, elevating your cooking experience to new heights. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, the T-fal Ultimate Fry Pan Set is ready to meet all your cooking needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.